It's interesting because the debate is often characterised as rich versus poor, north versus south. You don't see it like that at all.
I don't see it as rich versus poor or north versus south. It's an incredibly complicated equation that we have to balance with lots of different components in terms of how we're going to use the global agricultural estate, how we're going to husband critical natural resources in terms of agricultural inputs, how we're going to be able to create employment, meet rising energy demand, facilitate development and bring forward the right kinds of technologies. This is not north-south. There are elements of rich countries using the poor countries for natural resource exploitation, but that isn't confined to biofuels. It's absolutely everything. Where do you think most of our oil and gas comes from across the world? It's not only coming from other rich countries, it's also coming from countries like Nigeria. So we don't necessarily become better global citizens by not doing biofuels. We import most of our food, most of our minerals, much of our paper, much of our fish. It's an imperfect world. Biofuels not being done doesn't make it much better.